This is the BuzzAbout Gp164. BuzzAboutUSA.com is a point direct to this unit. How to charge this unit with AGM or lithium-ion batteries. You have different charger with lithium-ion. Charging is the same. On this charger, when it's plugged in, there's a red light. When you plug this in, now there's 3 prongs, and sometimes you want to make sure these are tight. You can pull this up a little bit and you will see 3 prongs. Very easily stick it right in. As you get it in there, you will see this light turn from red to green, and down here charge to red. When both of these lights are green, it's fully charged. So make sure you allow it to charge overnight, and it's very proper to, or the best way of charging this thing is if you use it today, charge it up at night. So now we have green. That means it's fully charged. Say if you're not going to use this for 6 months, take this battery pack out. On this unit, there's a charging port right here on the battery pack. That's very nice. Why is that important? So let's say that you have a mountain house or a beach house and you don't want to carry your power chair down there all the time. This is an affordable unit. You can leave one there and carry back your battery pack and maintain your batteries at your house until you go back down to your summer house or your winter house. Plug this the same way directly into the batteries. This is also cool because say you're taking this in and out of your, going to the store today, but you don't need it inside your house for some reason, and you're going to use it tomorrow, but you need to charge the battery. Instead of taking this all the way in, you can take just this. So again, it's green. It means it's fully charged. This thing's ready to go. That's how you charge your power chair, and this model is the Gp164 by Golden Technologies. If you have any questions, give us a call at 803-926-2224.